This is the best AI tool. You need to know about this AI tool. Whether you're a student or a professional or you are a business owner, you need to know about this AI tool. You know, many of us are using all the time one AI tool. Many of us are using like a ChatGPT or Gemini all the time for all the purpose, but that is not right way. We have to use different AI tools for the different contexts. So today I'm going to talk about completely different tool, and this AI tool is the best for presentation making and creative learning. So let's go straight into the video. So today I'm going to talk about the best AI tool. Its name is NotebookLM. So you don't worry, maybe you're thinking like, hey, I'm not a student and I don't need to use this AI tool. Don't worry, but if you're a life learner, if you like, if you're researching, if you like to learn about case studies, then this is the best AI tool. And also there is a most important thing is that this is not just for the students. This is made for all of us, for learning, for corporate needs and everything. So let's look at it. So when you're using for the first time, you can use as an app. NotebookLM is available on a Play Store and iStore, and also you can use in your browser. So I just searched it on NotebookLM. Okay, so this is the interface you're going to see, and when I click create a new, there is a lot of things, but I'm not going to talk about all kind of things. I'm going to talk about one particular thing. It's a slide deck. You can see the slide deck here. So what is the purpose and how it's going to help you? Okay, let me show you some of the things I made by using the slide deck. I will show you it for you. Okay, let's wait. See, this presentation completely designed by using the slide deck, and the language, it's in my local language. So that is the most important thing. It's available in all the language, whether you are in Arabic, in English or Hindi, you have in any local language. It's available in all local language. That's the best thing. That's make this AI tool unique from the rest of the AI tool. Okay, see, I will show you the result. Let me show it for you. See, so what is unique about the presentation of NotebookLM is that they are focused about the visual element. You know, when you are presenting something to people, they don't like reading things. They felt boring if you are there, keep reading. And sometimes, all the times we are presenting things, we are far away from the audience, so nobody like reading. But what they make unique about the presentation of NotebookLM, they made a lot of visual elements. So this attract our audience so much. Okay, so this is the first presentation I made. I will show you the second one. It's also in my local language. Don't worry about the language. I will show you the designs. Look at the presentation, look at the visual element. And this one I made in English. Okay, I will show you. 1 minute. Let's go to the first place. Okay, see the result. How amazing this. So whether you are a student or you're a professional or you own a business, I think you need to make a presentation in different contexts. So this is the best tools for you. So this presentation is my favorite. I will show you. This is also in my local language, but you can see the result. How amazing. This is based on the chapter from the 10th standard or the +2. I'm not quite sure. So you can see the result. This is really, really amazing. I like this presentation. So you may have a doubt like how I'm going to make a presentation like this. I will show you entire things. And this is another presentation I made by using NotebookLM with a minimal design. You can see the result. Okay, so first we are going to look how to make a presentation like using NotebookLM. So this is the interface, and first you click on create a notebook. And the most important thing about the NotebookLM is that you can upload all the files. You can give the YouTube links, you can give the video links, drive links, files, and all the things. So you can give all the things as input. And the additional features about the NotebookLM is that, like, if you want to just search on a Google, you can just search on here. If you want to learn about something new, just search here. And after that, you can find out that a studio is here. Okay, this is the function. This studio we are going to use. You can see the studio, and here on the below you can see the slide deck. We are going to talk about that. Okay, click on the slide deck. So here you can change the language if you want to get the presentation in Malayalam and Hindi or Tamil or Arabic or English. All the languages are available here, so you can choose whatever the language you want. And another thing is that you can also choose the length, like if you want to get the presentation in lengthy or default or just long, everything, you also have an option here. And also here present a slider, detailed there are two options also available. And there is one most important thing you need to know is that, like, when I show you different kind of a presentation, maybe you felt like there are similarity in all the presentations. So if you want to make changes in your presentation, you can give an additional prompt here. So you may have it, like, how I'm going to give the additional prompt here. Maybe if you're a skillful person, if you have an idea about the presentation, you can give the details, like make it more colorful, include more visual elements, make the fluorescent colors and add logos. You can give additional prompt here. But if you are not that person, you can't make additional prompt here, I will show you another way. For example, here I just searched on a Freepik website. It's give you different kind of a designed templates, PDF files, not a PDF files, Photoshop files, Illustrator files, and different kind of files. So I searched here presentations, and they give lot of presentations here, and I like this one, so I click on that, and I'm just going to take a screenshot of this design, and I take a screenshot. Okay, I take a screenshot. Then what I'm going to do that I take that screenshot into Gemini. Okay, I open the Gemini here and I upload it here. Then I give an additional prompt here. I will read it for you. Can you give me a detailed description about the style of the design and color codes spelling are not correct and the background, all the things. So I can paste this description into another design. So I give a prompt to give me a description about the image which I attached here. So I got the result. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the entire description here and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, now when I'm going to click on generate function, it's going to give me completely different style of a unique type of presentation. So if you're going to do this way, you're going to get a creative type of presentation. And there are two kind of things I want to talk about more. One thing is that, like, you like this presentations, but when you are going to check on this presentation, you don't like this page. So can we make changes here? Yeah, of course we're gonna make changes here. So before going to talk about these things, I want to tell you something. You know, here in this channel, we're going to talk about AI things in a simplified way, so everyone can understand the things and they can use it in a very easy way. So if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also make your comment below. Okay, if you want to make changes here in this slide, what are you going to do? Just go on here. There is a function revise. Click on that. And you can give an additional prompt. For example, if you want to make the title different, if you want to make the color different, you can give all the things in a simple prompt. So if you're going to do that, you can get another updated slide by just giving a simple prompt. That is another features of NotebookLM. But as I said you before, there is another one thing we don't like is that, you know, when you just look on the slide, you can find that there is their logo. But in case if you want to remove that logo or watermark, is there any way? Of course there is a possible way. That's one way you can do that. Just upload the first before going to say that, you know, you can download this file as a PDF and also as a PPT. So click on this function. And you can download as a PDF, and you can also download as a PDF file, PPT files. There is two options. So after downloading as a PDF functions, you can upload that file in a Canva. And if you have a paid users, there is a magic watermark. But don't worry, if you are not a paid user, there is another option also. So whether first we are just checking if you are a paid user, there is an eraser option. Click on that, and there is a magic eraser. Click on that. Just erase these things, and just click on erase. It's going to erase by itself. We don't need to do anything. See, it's completely removed. But in some other case, you are not a paid user. But don't worry, I have a simple solution for that. Okay. Just go on to the elements, click on shape, just choose a rectangle and bring it to the slide and adjust the size. Click on the outside, just choose this and move and place it on above that. Okay, place it in above the watermark. But there is an issue, the color is not matching and people are going to notice that something happened with that. So I'm going to do that again. Okay, I just choose the slide and went to the elements and select the shapes, select the rectangle. Okay, choose a rectangle and I got the rectangle and I'm adjusting the rectangle and I bring it here. Now there is one issue, the color is not matched. So what I need to do, change the color. Click on that, come on here, just click on this option and you can choose the default background color. So nothing to worry, super easy, right? So I hope this video is helpful for you. So as I said to you before, we are going to talk about a lot of things related to AI, and I'm sure these videos are very helpful for all kind of people. So if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also make your comments. Thank you so much for watching me.